Good afternoon from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name is Tom. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of this beautiful 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300 4Matic. Now we currently have this vehicle listed for $24,995 with an odometer reading just over 24,700 miles. This is an exceptional value, as in 2016, when this car left the factory, it had a window sticker price of just over $47,000. The car still has a factory warranty in place until 50,000 miles or May 30th of 2020, whichever comes first. This car was fitted with just over $7,000 worth of factory options. It's a very well-spec'd vehicle. Some options including these 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. You'll see no signs of curb rash. Wheels are in excellent shape. As well as the palladium silver metallic paint. Now, this car has been through our detailing shop here at AlphaCars. We have very high standards for our paint correction. This car is no exception. You'll see on the body there are no scratches, dents, any sign of an accident. This car has a clean Carfax, one prior owner, and it was exclusively serviced at Mercedes-Benz of White Plains, New York. Very reputable dealership. See the last wheel in front. So I'll pop the hood, give you a quick look at the motor. Powering this Mercedes. This puts out about 240 horsepower and will get you 26 miles per gallon in the city and just over 30 on the highway. This car has made it to a 7-speed transmission. This makes for a very comfortable cruiser and daily driver, but you can still enjoy the back roads when you're trying to do some sporty or aggressive driving. Let's make our way to the interior. You can see this interior trim includes piano black, aluminum finish, and some beautiful matte black wooden trim. See, all the switches are in excellent shape, minimal wear. You have memory seats, heated seats in the front. See, here's this gauge cluster. See the odometer readout, just over 24,700 miles. And this is Mercedes-Benz Infotainment System. So through these panels here, you can control this screen. Now these include your media controls. Close this door. So you can have Bluetooth audio, your radio, your phone communications, all Bluetooth integrated, your vehicle controls, and your navigation, of course. See, all the trim is in excellent shape. The leather on the bolsters. And again, these switches have a wonderful feel to them. Really nice. You got the steering wheel controls here, and these can control this screen in the center, various different functions, just to make it easier while you're going down the road. You can see there's no warning lights, nothing of concern. And this is your control stack right here. Now this features the dynamic driving mode selector, so you change the vehicle's driving modes with this switch. Individual, you can customize yourself, so you can customize various aspects of the driving dynamics of this vehicle, whether it's the engine performance, the steering feel, the eco start-stop, or the climate control. This makes it a very personal experience. You can see in the center console here, we have USB ports for charging and an SD card to run media to this screen here. This vehicle is also fitted with the Panoramic Sunroof. Now this is a wonderful option. The entire roof, just about, it's all glass, and it can be controlled on this panel here. There is a cover that can extend over the glass if it's a bit sunny outside. Or you can fully retract the glass roof, have an open top experience. See, in here you have some cup holders just below the Mercedes-Benz analog clock. Cup holders, a power outlet, an ashtray. It's your basic setup. See the various power seat functions, whether it's thigh support, lumbar, headrest height adjustment is power as well. This is a very well-spec'd vehicle. You look in the trunk, which is power operated. So you have a sizable trunk, and you have a 40-20-40 split on the rear seats, which can be folded down very easily using these switches here and here. And you can see this car also comes with some all-weather floor mats for these New England winters. Don't want to be getting the carpets all salty. And you have the power trunk lid control here. One tap of the button, you're good to go. We hope you'll consider coming and giving this car a look. You can contact Mike or Rodolfo in sales here at AlphaCars. And we look forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Tom. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you come down here soon. AlphaCars, New Hampshire. We got plenty of cool inventory. Very unique selection of vehicles. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.